Hello everyone, welcome back to our PowerBIDay course. In today's class, we are going to learn about the schedule refresh in PowerBIDay service. Okay, in the previous class, we are going to learn about schedule refresh in PowerBIDay service. In the previous class, we learned how to use PowerBIDay service. Today, we will see how to automatically update our reports whenever the source data changes. Okay, yes, I understand, right? Let's get started. So first, we need to know what is schedule refresh. Okay, let me explain the whiteboard. Okay. Okay. What is schedule refresh? First, let's understand what schedule refresh means. Schedule refresh is a feature in PowerBIDay service that automatically updates your dataset at a specific time. This means you don't need to refresh your report manually every day. PowerBIDay will automatically connect to your data source and retrieve the latest data and update your report. So why do we need schedule refresh? Let's understand this with an example. Suppose you have an Excel file that contains salary information. Okay. Let us assume a salary information database. Okay, salary information. Suppose you have an Excel file that contains salary information that I have taken already. Today, one employee's payment status is no. For example, in the salary information, today one payment status is no is there. Okay. Tomorrow the employee pays the amount, so you can change the status from no to yes in the Excel file. Right? If you don't refresh your PowerBIDay report, it will still display the old value. This will get confused, right? If it reflects the old value. Instead of refreshing it manually every day, we can configure schedule refresh. PowerBIDay will automatically refresh the dataset according to the schedule and displays the latest information. So now I will explain real life example to you guys. Real life example, right? Imagine you are managing employee payment details. Every day employees makes payments, right? If you update the Excel file every day, your PowerBIDay report should also show the latest payment status, right? Schedule refresh helps you achieve this automatically. This saves time and reduces manual work. How schedule refresh works? Let me explain in a simple steps, okay? This process is very simple. But before we continue, I would like to mention one thing. To demonstrate publishing reports and some PowerBIDay service features directly from PowerBIDay desktop, you need a Microsoft WordPress tool account that I already shown in the previous class, right? Also called as organizational account. I don't currently have these credentials, so I won't be able to show the live sign-in and publishing process in this video. However, I will explain the complete workflow, show you where each option is located, and describe what happens after publishing. If you have an organization account, you can follow the same steps without any changes, right? So let me explain theoretically the step-by-step step days. Step 1, I just mentioned S1, it means step 1, create the report in PowerBIDay desktop. Okay, first you need to create the report in PowerBIDay desktop. Second step, S2, okay, publish the reports to PowerBIDay service. We need to publish the reports to PowerBIDay service days. That is the step 2, and in the step 3, open the dataset settings. That is the step 3 only. Now step 4, come to step 4. Okay. Configure the dataset credentials. That is the step 4 ways. Now I need to mention step 5. Enable schedule refresh. That is the step 5. You can write in the notes days, so you will not forget in the future. Step 6. Select how often you want the report to refresh. For example, daily, weekly, multiple time a day depends on your license. Okay, PowerBIDay will refresh the report automatically. That is the step 6. Only 6 steps we have. So if you follow these steps, PowerBIDay will refresh the report automatically, guys. No need to refresh it manually. Okay. Steps to configure schedule refresh. Now let's see the steps. First step is in this step. I will write in another text so you will not get confused. So here in the step 1, open PowerBIDay service. Just I will tell this because it would be difficult for me to write each and every point. Okay. Step 2, go to your workspace. Now in the step 3. Step 3 is select the published data set. Okay. Step 4. Click settings. Okay, in the step 5. Scroll down to schedule refresh. That is the step 5. Okay. Now step 6. We have only 9 steps, guys. Okay. Now turn on keep your data up to date in the step 6. Okay. Step 7. Now we were in step 7. Choose the refresh frequency. Now in the step 8. Select the refresh time. Now step 9. We were in. Click apply or save. Now your dataset will refresh automatically, guys. So if you follow these 9 steps, you can schedule refresh days. So now I will explain what are the advantages of schedule refresh. Guys, if you could not understand, just go back step and you can hear one more time, guys. Now I will explain about advantages of schedule refresh. Okay. Advantages. Advantages of schedule refresh. There are many benefits. So let me explain some of them. Okay. First point is we can take. It will save time, guys. It saves time. Okay, and come to the second point. No manual refresh is required. No manual refresh is required, guys. It will refresh automatically. That's the reason we will use this schedule refresh. Okay? No manual refresh. No need to schedule daily, guys. It will refresh automatically. That says no manual refresh. Okay. And the third point, we can say report always displays the latest data only. Report always displays latest data, right? Now in the step 4, better decisions made with updated information. Better decisions making with updated information. So by seeing the updated information, we can take better decisions, right? Right? Next, suitable for daily business reports. Suitable for daily business reports. Suitable for daily business reports days. Only these points, these benefits we have. I mean, I mentioned some of benefits only. There are much more benefits, but I mentioned here only 5 benefits. Okay. Next, I will explain important note. Okay. Schedule refresh works only PowerBID can access your data source. If your data is stored in your local computer or on premises server, you need to install and configure the on-premises data gateway. Okay. So that's it, guys, for today's class. Guys, if you want any interview questions, just comment me below that you want interview questions. Then I will forward with you guys. No problem. Okay. Thank you. That's it for today's session. Thank you.